Good morning, everybody. It is Jenn and Kanata, and today I am going to share with you a fun, interesting recipe called chocolate peanut butter lava cake that I'm going to be making in my Rock Crok Dutch Oven that I got from Pampered Chef, and show you how you can make it in 9.5 minutes in the microwave. And just to say, it is not diet friendly. It's super easy with ingredients you probably have at in your own home. It involves a cake mix, a couple eggs, oil, water, chocolate chips, and some peanut butter, and that's about it. So come and follow me and see what we're going to do today. Super yummy. So here's the Rock Crok ticket. I already put some butter um around the bottom just to grease it up. Never put spray, the cooking spray in here on Rock Crocs because it could do some damage or whatever to it. That's what the instructions say. So I just put butter because I want to make sure that at the bottom I'll be able to get it up afterwards. And then I'm just mixing it all right in the crock pot. So this is a chocolate cake mix. It called for a devil's food cake one, but I don't have that. So I'm using what I have. So just a chocolate food mix. And half a cup of oil. And 1.25 cups of water. I pre-measured that into this cup, so it was easy to pour. And then 2 eggs. I just put that in that measuring cup in there, and then you mix this up right in the pan. You could do this with a homemade cake mix. Like you make either a homemade cake mix or a homemade cake recipe. And just put all that in here. And then the other add-ins, once this is all mixed up, is a cup of chocolate chips and a cup of peanut butter. Just lightly stirred in. So I just want to make sure that is all mixed. And then just take about a cup of peanut butter. That's about a cup. And then about a cup of chocolate chips. And I'm just there we go. And then I'm just going to stir that in a bit. Apparently you don't want to stir it too much, so there'll be chunks of like spots where there's peanut butter and just chocolate, so it's in there. And there we have it, and then you put the lid on it and cook it in the microwave. There, I'm at church and I'm putting it in the microwave for 9.5 minutes. And there it is, all steamy. You let it sit for 5 minutes. We will have that to eat. So don't forget to use pot holders to take it out of the oven because this is really hot. And there you have it. It was a big hit. People have had seconds. I still have some left over, so we will have that for dessert tonight. So I will put the link to the recipe below. And it was so easy. It was done in 9.5 minutes in the microwave. It was super yummy. I have never done an actual whole cake in the microwave before, but I've done like muffin mugs. Well, this is like just a bigger cake, and it turned out wonderful. So, if you're interested in more info, just give me a message. Send me a message, okay? Bye, friends.